This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about hot and cold cup sleeves, specifically these BevTech Ripple Cup sleeves. They're made to be used with both hot and cold beverages, and as you can see, these great cup sleeves are clear plastic and they feature a lovely ripple design. They're going to work with your BevTech frosted clear cups, and you can see it here on the 12, 16, and 24 ounce cups. They're also compatible with several of the paper hot cup lines, including the RWP natural paper coffee cups. And we have it here on the 20 ounce cup, but it'll also work on the 12 and 16 ounce sizes as well. And you can check the listing for more compatible styles of the paper hot cups. These great sleeves are made from PP plastic, which is what makes them useful for both hot and cold beverages. The ripple texture helps not only to provide interest in a little bit of design detail, but also a much better grip for your customers when passing them their cups and when they're just holding and sipping and enjoying their beverages. The clear plastic, as you can see, won't obstruct logos, brandings, or the color scheme of your cups. And it's just going to be fantastic just to let the beverages show through as well, especially with these clear cups back here that you might be using for mixed cocktails, layered drinks, or other things with vibrant juices, mixers, and garnishes. It helps keep letting those cocktails shine and show off all their interesting, beautiful, and lovely ingredients. So these are perfect for coffee shops, cafes, smoothie bars, tea shops, drink carts, and a wide variety of food establishments, anywhere you're serving hot or cold beverages on the go.